Hi guys, I'm so happy to be here in Maui with Master Drummer Balekita to share our culture. Please come to support because I'm gonna be in Honolulu really soon, and then it's going back in California to go in Florida. So this is your last chance. Please come to support. I know guys you love to dance. I do too. So I'll see you tomorrow on the dance floor, right? Thank you to Rosa, thank you to Tai, and thank you to Faja Kongo. One love, one love, one love, Matodo.
So from here bounce, para. See? So one more time.
Hey guys, I forgot. I'm so sorry. Don't forget. May 27, May 28, dance conference in Santa Cruz is gonna be fire. Oh my god. Amazing teachers. Mabiba, Biza, Suturus, Maritu, Umu, Lubai, Blanche, Balekita, Roxy, Tommy, Mampuya, Mampus. Oh my god, please don't miss it. Don't worry if you don't have place to stay. We do have. If you don't want to drive back at night, don't worry about that. Thank you. It's gonna be fire. Kanga Masolo. Ndegada Konge Yango. To Kange Masolo. Toujours en pointe. Kanga Masolo. Ndengo Azo Memangona la facilité. See you guys there. Thank you. One love.